How to boost your bike's mileage. Fuel prices have increased drastically in these recent days. Traveling in bike is also turning out to be expensive. Bikes that offer low mileage are actually quite irritating. Bike riders are ending up waste of money on fuel alone. Here are some tips that will help you improve your bike's mileage. Fuel saved is money saved. Bike users can improve their bike's mileage by taking some simple precautions. Do not push the throttle too much during the first 3 to 5 kilometers of your journey. The engine will be still cooled and will need more fuel to deliver fuel. Use the choke during the initial part of the days as the engine will be lightly lax. The choke will provide sufficient lubricant to the engine parts, providing a smoother performance. Do not apply brakes and change gears in a hurry. Changing gears irregularly will hamper engine performance and reduces mileage. Always maintain tire pressure in the bike as advised by the bike manufacturers. Frequently change the engine oil as advised by the manufacturer. The gap between each engine oil change will depend upon the type of oil you use, your driving style, and the environment. Turn the engine off at traffic signal. Turn it on about 5 seconds before the signal turns to green. Get your bike regularly serviced to maintain its mileage. Regularly check the fuel tank, fuel pipe along with filters to remove any unwanted impurities. Always try to ride your bike in the top gear and within a speed of 40 to 60 km per hour. Avoid increasing speed above 70 km per hour. Follow these simple steps and improve your bike's mileage. Maintain your bike's health by taking proper and timely care.